morning everyone. Today we are going to see the translucent loose powders that came a while ago. I think it came in April along with our seminar. So I didn't make a separate video on that, so I thought I will do as part of our Tuesday videos because here we always concentrate on one product and learn more about it. So it basically comes in six different shades. So one to match the skin tone. So here I don't have the light. So here this is medium and deep, and we also have the translucent. It will not go white. It will be like a clear colorless powder which you can apply it to highlight it too. So we had light, medium, and deep and translucent. So these four are matte finishes, and we also had what is it like a two of the shimmery ones. One is the silver rose, which is like a pinkish one for which you can use as a blush, and the other one is bronze dust, which again has the shimmery particles. And the same way the deep can be used deep or even medium. For example, for me deep I can use as my contouring shade. If you are lighter than me, then obviously even medium will be your contouring shade, and light can be used by medium deep skin tones for highlighting purpose. If you like a matte look, then these work really well, and these are blendable. That means you can wear them as it is for a natural look. If you have seen my get ready with me, I have used in plenty of ways. You can just use on top of your your skincare, and just go for a very natural look. I always like to do it one layer underneath my CCTM or foundation. You can also do it on top of it to give that blurring filter like effect. That's how they call it. And also you can mix these powders with CCTM or foundation to make it little thicker. That will give like a medium to full coverage consistency. Previously it used to come in a container like this. It's almost the same powder, but we don't like the brush. Actually we always used to use a different brush. I used to transfer it to a container like this and use, and finally they came up with our own container, so that way now that one step is down, so it's always ready to use. Let me show you. When it comes, you can see it comes with the it will have like a sticker in the middle in the sealed portion, so that way you can dip it in. It's like more of a meshy consistency, if you see, so that you can see the glitter particles. This is the silver dust, and with that it makes it so easy and what's it like a spill proof, so you can take it and just dip the extras and then close it whenever you are done. These products are talc free and so weightless, so you don't even feel like you have like a heavy makeup on. And as like any of our products, they come with Senaplex complex, so it's like a added skincare benefits even in our powders. For example, if you choose a medium or medium deep in CCTM, then you will go with a medium powder, and if you are in deep CCTM, then go with the deep powder. But these are like very lightweight and the fine powder, so that way they are not going to be like cakey or in your fine lines or wrinkles. If you see, it says once creamy shades of Senegen's cosmetic products have been applied, apply a finished layer of translucent powder to give your face a matte finished, skin blurring and shine free look. These fluffy talc free powders blot, shine, and gently absorb oil and perspiration. So as I said, for me and all, I am a normal to oily skin, so having this underneath is going to start absorbing any excess oil that's been produced throughout the day. That way I don't make it shiny once halfway done. So they provide a light weightless feel and a finished, refined and soft focus finish, and it formulated to apply smoothly and seamlessly over makeup without build-up in fine lines and wrinkles. The anti-aging formula also includes Senaplex complex and Senapeptides to benefit the skin and help reduce signs of aging. So anytime when Senegen's products, it's going to have some anti-aging benefits to it, so that way it's not only acts as a makeup, it also going to act as your skincare. So the key benefits are obviously the fluffy soft texture which can be applied smoothly over makeup or bare skin. Matte finish perfectly sets and refine and control the shine. Shimmer shades add radiance and color. Includes skin beneficial Senaplex and Senapeptide, and formulated without talc, gluten, paraben and animal byproducts. So our products are always cruelty free products, which is really important. So they are never tested on animals, and same way they never have any animal byproducts as fillers in our products. So the key ingredients are Z-Maze, which is like a cornstarch, fine talc-free powder that helps to mattify and absorb the shine. And this is the next ingredient is very important. It's kaolin. The kaolin clay is in our detox mask too. That's one of my favorite product because it helps to absorb all the excess oils in them. So if you see kaolin, it's from naturally occurring mineral kaolinite, finely ground clay that absorbs any perspiration. So the whole of 30 months 30 days when I was getting ready for July, most of the days after I remove makeup, I apply the detox mask and I'll go to sleep, because that way it takes away any impurities throughout the day, whatever I had, any left things. That way my skin looked much better the whole month, even for everyday get ready. So that is here. Again, Senaplex and Senapeptide provides nourishing and hydrating and anti-aging benefits to the skin. And Allotin, which is another ingredient that's going to promote skin smoothness. So to apply, I like to have any fluffy brush like this for the medium powder or anything. It's still fluffy, but you can see it's not dense, and here it's even more fluffier. So these two are my favorite. One is this is Morphe brush. Both are Morphe ones. I will link you the number later. You can pretty much pick any brush that is really fluffy. So how do you do is, like, you can dip the powder here and take out the excess. You don't need a lot, and just swirl through all over your face. So it's if you are someone who is really oily, you can even do just middle of the day. If you are going to go for office and all, you can just carry it. That way you can just control the shine, and you don't have to reapply any foundation or CCTM. This will keep you fresh and so lightweight, and it will still do all day. Like the powders are not, that's why never all day, but the CCTM underneath is going to be all day. But having this little bit to absorb any sweat or any oiliness is going to give that fresh look for throughout the day. If you're using the silver rose, this and all, you will use a very small amount. So dip it in your it's like a blush brush, and take out the excess and just press it along with your cheekbones. You can see it's such a pretty one. It gives that shimmery look, and at the same time it's so lightweight. Always take out the excess, that way you are not going with a heavy hand. And start with the cheekbone and always end it until your here. So that's it. For the translucent, I don't like to use it all over. So instead I take a a brush that I can concentrate, and I like to do it like a highlighter on wherever I need. And this will really highlight the places and give that like a filter like finish. That's how they call it. But if you want, you can do all over, but sometimes it may pull gray if you do all over. So I like to use only wherever I need it to be like the highlighted look. I have to still do my highlighter and contouring video too, so I will do it separate. That way I can show where and all you need to highlight and where and all you will do for contouring. Concept is always the same whether you do with a creamy product like the one that came up with it, or you can do it with the powder. I think with cream it will show up a really more, whereas powder will be really light. So it depends on your preference whether you want them to pronounce it more, or it's like a casual thing. So that's it, and hope you like the product. As I was saying, it comes in 6 different shades. 4 of them are matte, light, medium, deep and translucent, and 2 of them are shimmery colors, bronze dust and silver rose. And it comes in this nice tub, and it stays, I mean, I've been using for quite a while. For 4 months I pretty much use almost every one of them, and you can see there is tons of products left. It's a very big jar, so you will utilize the product more, and once you start seeing the finish, you will love it, and it will be like your go-to for a everyday look anytime. So hope you like it, and have a wonderful day, guys.